If you want to succeed in life, never tell people these 4 important things. Success in life is something that everyone strives for, yet few achieve. Achieving success requires dedication, hard work, and an often determined mindset. On the journey to success, it's important to remember that not all information should be shared with others. There are certain things that should remain private to ensure that you have the best chance at success. The first thing you should avoid telling people is your goals and plans. Everyone has their own ideas and opinions, and it can be easy to get sidetracked by someone else's ideas. Instead of telling someone your exact plans, it's best to keep them to yourself and make sure to stay focused on achieving them. The second thing you should keep private is any negative opinions you may have about yourself. It's easy to get down on yourself when things don't go the way you had planned. It's important to stay positive and focused on what you are doing right instead of dwelling on the negatives. The third thing to keep under wraps is any personal information that can be used against you. This includes passwords, credit card numbers, and any other important data that can easily be exploited. If divulged to the wrong person, these details can be used for malicious purposes and could potentially derail your plans for success. The fourth and the final thing that you should never tell people is your doubts or fears. Success is often rooted in confidence and self-belief. Telling someone that you are unsure of yourself or scared to take certain steps may act as a deterrent and cause them to doubt you and your abilities. Keeping these 4 things to yourself is essential. If you want to achieve success, it's important to stay on the path to success and not get sidetracked by outside opinions and negative thoughts. By remaining focused, dedicating yourself to your goals, and taking necessary precautions to protect your privacy, you can make sure that you have the best chance of succeeding in life. If you like someone's work, you must appreciate them, like you can appreciate me, by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much.